What is 3D printing? So 3D printing is making use of an additive manufacturing process to make 3D solids. By making use of digital files for the input and also making use of raw materials like resins in order to make a full product. The creation is achieved using successive layers of material until the object is created, and each layer can be thinly sliced cross-section of the object depending on how you made it using the software. 3D printing is the opposite of subtractive manufacturing, which is scanning out, hollowing out a piece of metal or plastic, for instance a milling machine, because you are producing something from raw materials, not carving them out. 3D printing enables you to produce complex shapes using less material than traditional manufacturing methods, because the way it produces things is exact. It follows exactly how you made it using the software. There are a lot of softwares that are available to use for this 3D printing, from industrial grade to open source. It is often recommended to use Tinkercad for beginners. It isn't necessary to install it on the computer, and it also offers beginner lessons, and has built-in features to export the models as printable files and directly connect it to your 3D printer. Slicing it basically means slicing up a 3D model into hundreds or thousands of layers and is done with slicing software. When the file is sliced, it's ready for the 3D printer. Feeding the file to the printer can be done by USB, SD, or Wi-Fi. The sliced file is now ready to be 3D printed layer by layer. Yet 3D printing, it was adopted a long time ago in order to produce prototypes of new products, but now it has reached critical mass as it's no longer an integrated additive process in the supply chain. Now it is a major way of producing products. Most of the current demand is industrial in nature. As it evolves, 3D printing is destined to transform almost every major industry and change the way we live, work, and play in the future. Some examples of 3D printing. It encompasses many forms of technology and materials, as it is used in almost all industries. A few examples would be consumer products like eyewear, footwear, design, and furniture. Industrial products like tools, prototypes, functional and use parts. Dental products, prosthetics, architectural scale models, and maquettes. Reconstruction fossils, replicating artifacts, reconstructing evidence, and making use of it to produce movie props. These two are the references I used in order to produce this presentation. Thank you for watching my presentation.